In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory on Squarespace. Whether you're running a small online shop or a larger e-commerce site, keeping track of your inventory is crucial for smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're logged in, you should be familiar with this area as it acts as your central hub for all things related to your website. From here, locating and managing your inventory becomes much simpler. Next, look for the Products and Services section. Clicking on this will be your gateway to all the products you have listed on your site. This section is your inventory's main control center, allowing you to oversee all entries seamlessly and make necessary adjustments as needed. Once you're in the Products and Services section, the next move is to click on Products. Doing so will give you a comprehensive list of everything you offer for sale. Having a structured view of all products can help when planning restocks or examining which items are performing well. Now, to direct focus on particular items, choose a product from your list. Simply selecting the product allows you to view the specifics and begin making changes or reviewing details. If you need to share or save this inventory data, locate and click on Export. Exporting can be particularly useful when you want to analyze your inventory data in spreadsheets or when conducting detailed sales reviews. Once that's done, you may want to edit product details. Choose a product and locate the three dots, which will give you further options. Clicking on Edit will allow you to modify essential information about your product. Here you can change prices, descriptions, or any other details necessary to keep your product information accurate and enticing for your customers. Sometimes a product might need to be removed completely from your inventory. For that, again, click on the three dots next to the product, just like you did before, but this time you'll choose Delete. Confirming this action will remove the product from your list. It's always a good practice to double-check before finalizing deletions to avoid any accidental removal of important items. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll manage your Squarespace inventory efficiently. The key is staying organized and regularly updating your product information to reflect what you have available, ensuring your customers have accurate information when making their purchases. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and happy selling.